Hey guys, welcome to Makeup Cafe and this spicy orange brown eye makeup with the option of two lipsticks with this. So you gotta decide which one do you want to wear, and without wasting any time, let's just simply jump into the tutorial. So starting with a clean fresh face, I'm going to moisturize it first with the help of a moisturizer, and this one is by Plum. I will mention all the details below for whatever product I'm using in this video. And now I'm going to do my brows with the Benefit Brow Zincs palette, and this is how they look, so polished, sharp and filled up. So after that, I'm going to do the Too Faced Born This Way concealer for my eyes just to prime them. You can also use your concealer or foundation to prep your eyes. After that, I'm going to use my favorite eyeshadow palette. This is my all-time favorite. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start with this bare minimum nude kind of color just to powder my eyes. That's it. And then I am picking that fierce orange color to apply on my entire eyelid, and also blended it on the crease. And then I'm using the lighter color to blend the orange on the crease just to make it look a little bit softer. That's it. So now I need a dark brown color, and I'm using this Makeup Forever pencil. I think this is S60, but I'll just write it below. And I made a V on the corner of my eye, and without wasting any time, just quickly blend it because this dries super fast. So I'm blending it using a smudging brush, and then I'm picking a dark brown eyeshadow from the same palette to blend the dark brown color so that it does not look harsh. I've taken a very thin brush to blend it. And then I took the orange again and applied on my lid just to intensify a little bit more as it got washed off. So that's how the upper eyelid work is almost over. And then I'm taking a shimmery orange color which is called Blood Orange from the same palette, and just applying it on the inner corner just to give a little bit of shine over there. That's it. And that finishes up our eye makeup. And just follow up with these lashes by Kingdom of Lashes, and these are in Twinkle. So now let's start with the face, and I'm using the same Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this for my face because the color is so perfect and the finish is also very good. I would also like to try their foundation someday. I'm so satisfied with the concealer already. So I'm using a buffing brush from Zoeva. This is 102. You can use your tool, whatever you want. It could be a sponge, it could be a beauty blender, whatever. So that's how the foundation is blended into the skin. And then I'm going to use this NYX highlight and contour palette just to apply it under my eyes to powder them. I just use the banana powder from the palette. It's a very versatile palette. And then to contour, I'm using the lightest contour shade because that just goes perfectly with my skin, and I love this palette. Just look at the contour that it has given me. I just forgot using it, and I love using it again after a while. So you can use it on the nose, you can use it on the forehead also, on the jawline. Just contour your face and you can play with this. So after, I'm going to use a coral pinky kind of blush. This one is by Kiko Milano. This is the Arctic Peach blusher. I'm just going to apply it above the contour or bronzer, whatever you have used. Also on the nose a little bit. And then for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics Jelly Highlighter. Just look at the natural glow that it gives. It looks so beautiful and gives you the finish of glass-like skin. This just blends in very nicely. So after you're done with the highlighter, take the orange color again and apply it on the bottom lash line. and then I've taken the dark brown color just to intensify the outer corner. So that's it guys, let's just work on the lipstick though. So my first option for you today is a poppy coral orange color. This one is by Lakme and it's called the Crazy Tangerine. It is quite a bold color, it is not at all soft, and this is how it looks. And my second option for you today is this Huda Beauty Trendsetter. This is my kind of color that I would like to wear with this eye makeup because it is such a poppy eye makeup. So I would like to pair it up with these nude brown pair of lips because orange just goes so well with the brown, right? And I just love this lipstick. So that is how the look looks with both the lipsticks. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.